welcome back to the channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, I give you a big and a warm welcome to Way. My name is Dvaja and I make DIY videos for home decor. I try to make it in an inexpensive way possible, and I get inspired to do that just like you do. So I try to work on the project for entire week and upload a video once a week. It's usually on Sunday. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to watch my other videos and make sure you hit the like and a subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos, and that helps me to create my YouTube community. Today's video is about Pampas grass, which I got inspired to make from Justin Roy's video. He made it from the cotton thread, but he also mentioned that we can make it from the yarn. So due to lockdown, I could not gather any supplies for the new project, but yes, I had a yarn. So I tried to make a Pampas grass from that, and it turned out really well. Yes. So I hope you will enjoy the video, and you can definitely make a bigger version of it if you want. So let's get started. I started by cutting this cardboard piece into a leaf shape, in a shape where it is broad from the center part and small from both ends. To make grass, I used this beautiful pen shaded yarn. I started by wrapping that from the thinner part. I made approximately 20 wraps and in this cardboard for one tassel. Then I tied the tassel on the same cardboard. By keeping the distance, I started making more wraps for big and medium-sized tassels in the center part. My cardboard was big enough to take 5 tassel wraps at a time, so I would suggest you the same, that you cut the big piece of cardboard so you don't have to go through this process again and again. To tie them, I cut yarn into small pieces and that can make a loop around the wrap. Here, one thing needs to be noticed, that we are going to have two tassels from each wrap. It will be from both sides of the cardboard. When you make a loop, you have to make sure that you give tight 2 or 3 knots at least, so in the next process it does not get broken, because we are going to comb those tassels. Now, you can directly cut the tassels from the cardboard, or you can take it off from the cardboard and then cut it. It's up to you. That does not take much difference because this is going to look fluffy grass eventually, so the perfection doesn't matter in that case. And for the last step with tassels, I comb them with a bristle brush, which is actually really stiff, can detangle each and every yarn strings. Then on the bamboo stick, I stick those tassels in orderly manner, small ones on the top and the bottom, and the middle one it has to be the fluffier one and the bigger one, with the help of glue gun. Once that was done, I combed those 2 grass sticks again and sprayed with a little bit of a hairspray to keep them firm. And this is how I made it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please do not forget to give the like button, and please don't forget to engage with the like, share, comment and subscribe. That helps me to create my YouTube community, and it means a lot to me. So once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video.